being, and we're glad to have him tonight. Presenting the award for Best Dog Performance in a Foreign Film, please welcome Mr. James Cromwell.
I'm delighted to be here because I owe my career to a pig. And it's wonderful to be in a room where so many people are acknowledging the contributions that these animals make not only to our lives, but in my case and a lot of other people's, their careers as well. Dogs, I have to read it this way because I can only see however on this one. Dogs come in all sizes and shapes and from many nationalities. However, unlike a lot of humans, they all speak the same language. A bark is a bark is a bark. I think Gertrude Stein once said that. Here are the nominees for the best dog in a foreign film. From Australia, KOKO as Red Dog in Red Dog. From France, Laika as herself in Le Havre. From Japan, Baina as Alf in The Day the Dogs Disappeared. And from Japan, Ichicho, and if I'm mangling these names, I apologize, Ichicho as Toa in The Day the Dogs Disappeared, Japan. And the golden collar goes to, and I have an envelope. Thank you very much. Oh, it's very cute. KOKO in the Red Dog. Oh, you had to come all the way from.
No, accepting the award is the screenwriter of Red Dog. Thank you. I mean, as a screenwriter, we all sort of, dream of having actors that actually stay on script and, give us sort of a sense of emotionality for the part. And definitely KOKO was right up there with the best of them. I think we have do we have a little video of KOKO? Okay, let's watch it. Thank you.